Uyu niguo koretwo uri murugamo wa ikundi nyingi cia kĩndini magikinyiriria ndũgamano ya kĩũteti koretwo ĩgũmĩire bũrũri kwa ihinda ĩkũninwo thirikari na mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro metikĩra kunanĩra njũng'wa. Na ũmũthĩ arĩguo mĩrũrũngano ĩno ĩgũtanyĩtwo gwakĩrĩria makĩria kĩama kĩa ATHIKABU kanitha wa gatoreki rĩngĩ nĩmateterithĩtie wĩheani wao harĩ gũtabarĩra mĩario gatagatĩ ka President William RUTO na mũtongoria wa AZIMIO RAILA ODINGA.
We are ready, prepared. We have a system, we're just waiting for that openness. We want to appeal for non-violence at all costs.
We are particularly appalled by unbecoming, insulting, and inciting statements made by leaders. This is causing confusion among the population regarding the direction the country is taking.
Matongoretio ni muthikabu wa ARCHDIOCESE ya NYERI Anthony MUHERIA, athikabu aya maugite gutiri kihonia mirurungano irarehe, makimenereria ngaheha iria ituthukite icigo imwe, kuma riria mirurungano eno yambiriirie, hamwe na uhuthiri wa hinya MUKIRUKU ni maafitha a borithi.
We understand there are criminals who disguise themselves among protesters to vandalize property, steal from people, injure and even kill people in their evil schemes. These are the ones the police should go for to ensure peaceful demonstrations are conducted according to the law. Police cannot take advantage to brutalize innocent Kenyans.
We condemn what we have seen simmering as ethnic-based violence spotted in some parts of our country.
Magoti maria magathikitwo watho-ini wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 ni mamwe ma maria mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro ũratetia thirikari kũhĩtũkĩra mĩrũrũngano ĩno. MUHERIA kĩũria President RUTO arore weru watho ũyũ na ethe njĩra ingĩ cia kũngania mbeca nĩguo gũtiria mũingĩ kumana na kwambatĩra gwa thogora wa mũtũrĩre.
The recently enacted Finance Act places an unsustainable burden on already distressed citizens, especially those within the low income bracket. We, therefore, ask the President to repeal the Finance Act and institute a process that will seek to achieve the same goals within the context of the current economic context.
Kaunti-inĩ ya Mombasa, atongoria a kĩndini nĩ makumithitie arĩa marahuthĩra mĩrũrũngano gũthũkia indo cia mũingĩ. Atongoria aya makimenereria ũhũthĩri mũru wa gatiba gũthararia thayũ na biacara.
Want to condemn in the strongest terms the evil spirit of destruction, shedding blood and don't care attitude in the hearts of those who see the destruction of property and lives as a way to solve a country's problems.
Call upon the youth of this country to desist from being misused by selfish politicians. We also call upon our political leaders to have Kenya and Kenyans in their hearts by embracing and accepting the call for dialogue.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Chege.